Hi everyone, you're watching Wildix Collaboration tutorials. In this video we will see together how to start a web conference. Video conferencing has become an important part of our work lives. Due to work from home trend, but not only. Video conferencing is a key tool for those companies who have offices and teams in different locations. And again, there are many video conferencing solutions available. What makes Wildix unique is that everything is integrated into Wildix Collaboration. And this means you create a conference room from collaboration. You invite people, including colleagues, contacts from shared phone books, any external person, from Wildix Collaboration. You receive an invitation to participate in the conference into collaboration. Your status changes automatically into Do Not Disturb once you enter a conference room. The benefits are numerous in terms of user experience, in terms of consistency, in terms of having all the tools at hand from within the same access point collaboration. And the very first benefit is that you don't need to install anything, any software, to be able to participate in a conference. The only requirement is that a user who creates a conference room needs at least a business license. To create a new room, click on the blue video conference icon located in the top menu of Collaboration. A new dialog opens, and here we can see the conferences previously created by us or to which we were previously invited. To create a new room, click on the plus icon. Now let's give our conference a title. Optionally, you can also give it a description. Now you can invite your colleagues by typing their names. You can also invite external people, contacts from shared phone books, or any other people by entering their email address into the input field. You can also schedule the conference for later by ticking off this box. And here you have an option to make it a repeated event. In certain countries, Wildix offers an option to join a conference by dialing a local phone number. So here you can select which dialing numbers you would like to send to our participants. You can select up to 2 countries. And you can also select the language of our invitation email. You can always find your conferences right here in our conference management dialog. The events scheduled for the nearest future appear first, while past events are displayed at the bottom. From this dialog, you can edit any video conference that you created or to which you were invited at any time. Should it be a conference scheduled for the future or a past event? Find your conference and click on the 3 dots next to it to edit it. For example, during a conference, you decided to schedule a follow-up meeting with the same people in a week. You can edit the old conference room, make it a repeated event. The event will be updated in your calendar, you will get a notification about it, and you will be able to use the same conference room and the same link for your next meeting. At the point when you create a conference room, or when you edit one created by you in the past, you can secure your conference with a password. So enable the checkbox next to Set Conference Password. The system generates the password automatically, but you have the option to change it as long as it meets the security requirements. Save. By the way, we can see now a new icon here in this dialog that shows us that this conference room is protected by a password. You see, under the password we also have the conference PIN now. This PIN is required when you enter the conference via an audio call or from a Wizyconf hardware station. Why do we need yet another PIN? Well, because the PIN only contains digits, while the password contains both digits and letters. So it's easier to use the PIN in case with the audio call or with the conference hardware station. All the participants receive an invitation email with the link to join the conference. Your colleagues will also receive an invitation via chat. To join a video conference via the web, just follow the invitation link. If you're an external person, you will also have to enter your name, and you have an option to sign in via social networks. As to the users, we will be automatically recognized by the system. Okay, What happens if our external people have connected earlier than you? Then they will have to wait. Any user of the system can unlock the conference room, both if they access via the web, so via the link, or if they access in audio-only mode from the phone. By default, when you access a new conference, your microphone is enabled and your webcam is disabled. You can change it right away by clicking on the corresponding icon at the bottom of the screen. If you need to invite more participants during a conference, you can simply give the sharing link to them. To find the link, click on the button Invite People in the lower right-hand part of the screen. Here is our sharing link that we can send to someone. Otherwise, here are our dial-in numbers and the conference ID that we need to give to the person to join via the phone. If your conference is protected by a password, you will also need to give them the PIN. To leave the conference, click on the red X icon in the lower part of the screen. If you want to delete the room, you can do it from our conference dialog in Collaboration. Find your room and click on the X icon next to it. And you can only delete the conferences that you created. Old conference rooms are deleted after 30 days of inactivity. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope it was enough to help you to start off with our Wizyconf web conference. Thank you for your attention.